How to change your name on Microsoft Teams. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it. First, open Microsoft Teams app and click on your profile picture in the top corner. And again, tap on Profile icon. After that, select on Edit icon. Then select Manage Account. This will open your Microsoft account settings in your web browser. From there, go to Your Info and click Edit Name. Enter your new first and last name, complete the verification if prompted, and then click Save. Keep in mind that your Microsoft Teams display name is linked to your Microsoft account. Once you update your name, the change may take a little time to appear across Microsoft Teams and other Microsoft services. If you're using a work or school account, you may not be able to change your name yourself. In that case, you'll need to contact your organization's IT administrator as they manage your account information. That's it. That's how to change your name on Microsoft Teams. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Microsoft Teams tutorials.